Good morning children, welcome to today's section. Today's section is for second standard students. Yes children, as you people know, in the previous topic we have completed the topic describing words in the grammar part. Yes, today what are describing words children? Just a small revision. Describing words, the words which tell us more about the person, place, animal or the thing is called a describing words. Describing words tell us more about the naming words also. Describing words, they tell us more about the naming words. Means it tells us more. How is the person? Where is the place? It is clean, dirty, tall, short, big, wide, narrow. Whatever it is, the describing words that describe the person, place, animal and the thing. Such words are called as what? Describing words. Describing words, they come in the numbers also and in the colors and size also. Yes children. So we have completed this topic about describing words. So now we are with the new topic today, that is the Diwali festival. What? The Diwali festival. Children, here we celebrate, as we are Hindu in religion, we celebrate many festivals. Yes or no? We celebrate Ugadi, Nagara Panchami, yes or no? Pongal, Dashara, then Ganesh Chaturthi. See, so many festivals we celebrate. Yes, Muharram, Muslim people will celebrate Muharram, Bakrid, Ramzan. Christian people will celebrate Christmas. But we Hindu people, Diwali we celebrate all together. All the caste in Hindus, Sikh, Muslim, Jain, Sai, every festival, each and every people, we celebrate this festival very grand. Yes or no? Each and every people will celebrate this instead of Christians and Muslims. They don't do. They don't celebrate. But we people, we celebrate all the festivals. Hindu people, we celebrate all the festivals. Among all the festivals, we celebrate Diwali very grand. Yes or no? What are things we do children when we want to celebrate Diwali? First or foremost what we do? First, we clean our house. Dusting, cleaning, everything will complete. Then after dusting, cleaning, what we do? What we do? Once we dust and once we clean, we color our house with bright colors. We paint. Yes or no? We paint our house with bright colors, light colors. Yes? And next what we do? We buy new clothes. Each and every member in the family, each and every member, whether it is an old person to the youngest child also, we buy new clothes to celebrate Diwali festival. Yes. And then this is finished, dusting, cleaning, painting, buying new clothes. Then after these all things, what mama will do? What ladies in the home they do? They prepare different types of sweets. What sweets mama prepares in the home, so those sweets we won't get in the bakery or in the sweet mart. Some sweets we prepare in the home only. And who will do it? Your grandmother, your mother, your aunties, your elder sisters, they help your mothers to prepare some sweets. We prepare different types of fried sweets, which sweets we fry in the oil and we keep for some days and we can eat. We prepare such types of tasty sweets in the home. Who prepares it? Mama. Mummy. Yes or no? Mummy will prepare different types of variety sweets. Then after preparing the sweets, you invite your relative. You go to their house. You wish them. They wish you. You arrange Lakshmi Puja in our home. You do Lakshmi Puja also on that day. You take the blessings of Lakshmi. Yes or no? Lakshmi Devi, you take the blessings of Lakshmi Devi also. And then the school. the school remains closed. The school will be holiday. Not all the offices are closed. Few offices will be closed. Then rather the others will be running. The schools will remain closed for you people to enjoy the festival. You burn the crackers. You eat lots of sweet. You go outside with your parents. Yes or no? Huh? You put rangoli, girls, you put different rangolis and then you put color for that rangoli. You light the diyas in front of your house, and boys, big brothers, father, what they do? They decorate the house with the lightings. Lighting ready manige? Yes. Why? Because you want to look your house very beautiful in the Diwali festival. Yes or no? You want your house to look very beautiful. So you decorate your house with different types of colors of lights. And once the Diwali starts, we celebrate Diwali for 5 days. How many days, children? 5 days. We celebrate it for 5 days. Then once the Diwali starts, what you do? You start lighting all the lights and you start lighting the diyas. Diyas under panati irtiralla? Yes, that is called diyas. We light the diyas in front of the house. Why? Because Diwali is the festival of light. Yes, children. Why? Because Diwali is the festival of light. See, so many things we do. We celebrate all the festivals, but we enjoy Diwali a lot. Yes, we enjoy every day putting different types of rangolis, boys and girls burning crackers, going outside, wearing new clothes. So we enjoy Diwali a lot. Yes. So here I will show you a small picture of this Diwali festival, what it is given in your textbook. So children, you all can open page number 58. Page number 58 in your textbook, and the topic name is the Diwali festival. The topic name is what here? The Diwali festival. So children, now you can see this picture here. Yes, here you can see, children. Yeah. Look at the picture and write the paragraph of about 8 sentences describing it. You may use the words given below the picture. So you can see here, children, you see here the house is colored with bright colors. See here blue is there, here green is there, here orange is there, here pink is there, red is here, white is here, green is here. So the house is decorated with different colors. Yes or no? Different colors. And here you can see there is a garland of flowers. Yes, in front of the house. And here you can see 2 girls are putting rangoli with different colors. Yes, you can see here colors. And then here you can see a boy is standing. And here you can see a pinata. What is this called, children? Akashabutti. Idakkena karitiri? Pinata. And here you can see a mother and a father are standing in the passage. So here you can see, children, the mother is lighting the diyas here. Yes, what she is doing? She is lighting the diyas, and father is observing the children burning the crackers. You can see here the 2 girls are burning here cracker, and here you can see the 3 boys are burning crackers. So we enjoy all these things. Yes, here you can see, children, they have given the words celebrate in the month of festival, new clothes, holiday, paint, crackers, sweets, and festival of lights. So children, you have observed the picture what is given here. Yes or no? So now they have asked us what that we can use. We have to write about 8 sentences describing the Diwali festival by using the words given in the box here. So let us start writing, children. The first one is here. Look at the picture. Look at the picture and write a paragraph of about 8 sentences describing it. You may use the words given below the picture. Now here children, yes, I will draw the box here, and now I will mention the words here, that is celebrated in the month of. In which month do we celebrate the Diwali festival? Next is festival. And next is new clothes. And then holiday. And the next is paint. Crackers, sweets, and then festival of lights. Yes, festival of lights. So these are the words we have to use to see. First one is celebrated in the month of festival, new clothes, holiday, paint, crackers, sweets, festival of light. Crackers means what children? Patakshi. Patakshi haristarala. That is called as what? Crackers. What we call that? Crackers. So here children, now with the help of these clue words, they have said us, with the help of these clue words, you can write the sentences. You can write the sentences by using these keywords. Yes, what they have said. Look at the picture and write the paragraph of about 8 sentences describing it. You may use the words given below the picture. So first word is what there? It is not according to this only you have to write children. So the first word, we celebrate Diwali. Yes, we celebrate Diwali I will write capital children first here. Diwali in the month of October or November. Yes. Then It is the festival of light. It is the festival of lights. Then we decorate our house. Next one, we decorate our house with diyas. We decorate our house with diyas. Yes. The next comes what here? We wear new clothes. Yes, children. What we do? We wear new clothes on that day. The next comes here. On that day, it will be a holiday. The school will be holiday. The school will be holiday. Next, we paint our house with bright colors. We paint our house with bright colors. And then we burn crackers. We burn crackers and enjoy. The next, mother prepares. Here, see, they have given sweets, children. Yes, mother prepares different types of sweets. So here, Diwali is the festival of lights. Last sentence. Diwali is the festival of lights. We enjoy the festival. We enjoy the festival. Yes. So here, we celebrate Diwali in the month of October or November. It is the festival of lights. We decorate our house with diyas. We wear new clothes on that day. The school will be holiday. We paint our house with bright colors. We burn crackers and enjoy. Mother prepares different types of sweets. Diwali is the festival of lights. We enjoy the festival. Diwali is the festival of lights. We enjoy festival. Yes. So this same you have to write in your test book, children. Test book activity, not notebook activity. You have to write as it is in the test book. Write the day and date and send me the photocopy of this on my words. Thank you children. Have a great day.